Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service reminder and inspection service on a 2022 Volkswagen GTI. So you want to start by turning the key to the on position, or you could have the engine running. I have the engine running. I've already performed the service on it, so now I'm just going to reset everything. So come over here onto the steering wheel controls and hit this over button. That'll bring up this display over here on the side, and you're going to want to scroll. It was already on it, but I'll scroll till you get to travel time / distance. Then you want to hit the over button again. Then you'll scroll down till you go to long term. And then when you're over the long term there, then you want to press and hold this for about 10 seconds. So 10, release. Then it'll bring you up the service menu here. You can scroll down, reset inspection service, then you hit OK. You hit OK again, it asks a question. So that is reset. Now we can go down to the oil change service, same thing, OK. Ask the question, do we want to reset? We hit OK again, and it's all reset. I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe.